Hello everyone, welcome back to Primal Bioinformatics. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified of my latest videos. Today we are diving into MarvinSketch, a powerful tool for drawing chemical structures. Let's get started. MarvinSketch is a versatile chemical drawing tool that allows you to create and edit chemical structures with ease. In this video, we will cover the basics of the interface, how to draw structure, and some useful features. Let's open MarvinSketch. When you open MarvinSketch, you will see a clean and intuitive interface. At the top, we have the menu bar containing menu titles that describe the content of each menu. We have File menu, we have Edit, View, Insert, Atom, Bond, Structure, Calculation, Services, and Help. Canvas is the main area where chemical structures, queries, and reactions are drawn. Then we have the General toolbar. This toolbar contains buttons for frequent use of commands like selection, erase, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, and so on. Then on the left hand side, we have Tools toolbar. This basically contains elements for structure drawing like bond, chain, reaction arrow, graphics, and so on. On the right hand side, we have the Atoms toolbar. It's a location of the most frequent atom types and the periodic system button. In the bottom, we have Advanced template toolbar. This special toolbar is a container of structure templates. The templates are rotatable by pressing and holding down the left mouse button while dragging. Below to that, we have the status bar. It shows file status, contains navigation buttons and the dimension button. Now we will draw some simple structures. First, select the carbon atom and place it in the canvas. We will get methane because the drawing tool satisfies the valency of carbon using hydrogens. We will now draw one more carbon. We will make a bond between these two carbon using the bond tool. We will now convert the single bond into double bond. We will draw simple molecules using the bond tool now. Now we will make some substitutions in the structure. We will now explore the option for drawing chains. We will use the templates now for drawing few structures. Let's see how to move, rotate, and delete the molecules. That's it for our overview of the MarvinSketch interface. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for further videos, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.